इम्तियाज सर आप आगे ज्वाइन कर लिए? ओके सर, फाइन। सर वो फोन करो सर उनको, दीपक को, पीवीसी सर को। जो अफरा मैम सब कुछ रेडी है ना?
यस सर।
सो शुड आई रिक्वेस्ट?
हाँ प्लीज ज्वाइन कराइए सर, शुरू करवाइए।
सर आप फोन करेंगे, मैं करूंगा एक बार?
मैं करता हूँ।
अफरा मैम प्लीज गेट रेडी। प्रिया।
यस सर।
Sir, good afternoon, sir.
Very good afternoon to all of you and all the best.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so
sir.
much.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you so very much.
Right.
डॉक्टर प्रदीप स्टार्ट कराइए।
हाँ, sir, a very good afternoon to all the respected member, particularly our session chair, Professor S.M. Rahmatullah Saab, Honorable Pro Vice Chancellor, Maulana Azad National Urdu University. We request sir the traditional, opening, and I request my dear colleague Afra ma'am, please take up the charge and continue.
Thank you sir. Thank you so much. दुनिया बदल रही है, निगाहें उठाइए। दुनिया बदल रही है, निगाहें उठाइए। इस इर्तिखाई दौर से आंखें मिलाइए। आपस के तफरीकों को अभी भूल जाइए। मिलजुल के सुबहानों की सियाही उठाइए। Good afternoon, everyone. Respected Chief Guest and Chairman of the session, Professor S.M. Rahmatullah sir, Convener and Dean School of Technology, Professor Abdul Wahid, Head Department of CSNIT, Dr. Imtiazul Hasan, Coordinator and Associate Professor Dr. Pradeep Kumar, Department of CSNIT, Manu, learned and distinguished delegates from corporate and academy, a very good afternoon to one and all. I, Afra Fatima, Assistant Professor, Department of CSNIT, Manu, Hyderabad, feel privileged and honored to welcome you all to the validity session of 1 week faculty development program on data science, which started from 22nd to 26th November 2021, sponsored by AICT Training and Learning Academy, ASAL program, organized by School of CSNIT, Manu, Hyderabad. This is an immensely exciting afternoon for our department. When you are around enormously successful people, you realize that their success is not an accident. It's about hard work, quote by Grant Tedder. The actively growing participation of faculty and students from various colleges and universities affirms the relevance and meaningfulness of this FDP. I hope you enjoyed and learned a lot in this FDP. As always, we start this validity session by verses of Quran by Ms. Palak Tuba, student of MCA final year, Department of CS and IT, Manu.
أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم كنتم خير أمة أخرجت للناس تعملون بالمعروف وتنحون عن المنكر وتؤمنون بالله ولو آمن أهل الكتاب لكان خيرا لكم منهم المؤمنون وأكثرهم الفاسقون. Allah says in Quran, you are the best nation produced for mankind. You enjoy what is right and forbid what is wrong and believe in Allah. In these lines, Allah is addressing us Muslim that we are the best among all the people because we have been created to save humanity from hellfire. As we can see, world is facing lots of problems and people are experimenting with different solutions, but the results are not satisfying. It's our time to introduce the world with the best way, which is shown by Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. We have not in this world only to accumulate wealth or high position. Instead, we are with big responsibility to convey the actual message of Almighty Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala to the people. Jazakumullahu khairan kasiran kasira.
Thank you so much, Palak Tuba. Indeed, you recited very beautifully. Before we move further to this session, I request you all to please take a moment to listen Manu Tarana, written by Gulzar and composed by musician and filmmaker Vishal Bharadwaj, vocals provided by Sukhwinder Singh.
ये जामियाए ज़बान उर्दू, ये जामियाए ज़बान उर्दू, ज़बान उर्दू का आशिया है, ज़बान उर्दू का आशिया है। ये जामियाए ज़बान उर्दू, ये जामियाए ज़बान उर्दू। कलाम सारे है दर्ज रूह में, कलम से उतरा हुआ बदन है। ये इल्म का शहर घर है मेरा, मेरा मदरसा मेरा वतन है। तालीम का मौसम है, तहजीब की फसलें हैं, हम रोशनी करते हैं, सूरज की नस्लें हैं। उर्दू की उड़े खुशबू, ये जामिया है ज़बान उर्दू, ये जामिया है ज़बान उर्दू, ये जामिया है ज़बान उर्दू, ये जामिया है ज़बान उर्दू। जो दाना गुजरे दिन इस ज़मीन से, जो दाना गुजरे थे इस जमीन से, वो इल्म के बीज बो गए हैं। बड़े हुए जब पौधे बढ़ के, हमारे कद ऊंचे हो गए हैं। हम चांदी की पेशानी जब छू के निकलते हैं, कायनात में है पाँव और मार्स पे चलते हैं। उर्दू की उड़े खुशबू, ये जामिया है ज़बान उर्दू, 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 ज़बान उर्दू का आशियाँ है, ये जामिया है ज़बान उर्दू।
I hope you all enjoyed it. Thank you so much for listening this. तेरे इल्म मोहब्बत की नहीं है इंतहा कोई, तेरे इल्म मोहब्बत की नहीं है इंतहा कोई, नहीं है तुझसे बढ़कर साज़ फितरत में नवा कोई, नहीं है तुझसे बढ़कर साज़ फितरत में नवा कोई. To give a red carpet welcome to everyone assembled here, may I take the pleasure of requesting our respected coordinator, Associate Professor, Department of CS and IT, Dr. Pradeep Kumar, to welcome the gathering and give a short FDP report.
Thank you, Afra ma'am. The Honorable Pro Vice Chancellor Sahab Professor S.M. Rahmatullah sir, our respected Dean School of Technology, Professor Abdul Wahid Sahab, our Head of the Department, Dr. Imtiaz sir, dear faculty members and dear participants from all over the country who joined these programs, I once again welcome you all this afternoon in this valedictory session. This 1 week faculty development programs from the data science was started 22nd this month of November, and today and right now we are proceeding towards the end of this event, which in my view have been a great success in many ways. So this data science FDP was sponsored by All India Council for Technical Education, Learning Academic Programs, and this was organized by School of Computer Science and Technology at Maulana Azad National Urdu University. So it has been a great experience and privilege to me being a convener, being a coordinator of these programs under the convenership of Professor Abdul Wahid Saab and under the patronship of our Honorable Vice Chancellor Professor Ainul Hassan Saab and our Honorable Pro Vice Chancellor Saab Professor S.M. Rahmatullah Saab, whose presence give me particularly a lot of confidence, boost up my morale, and always motivates, provokes us to achieve better and better. And we hope in the days to come we will achieve all this one. So as far as the report part is concerned of this our 1 week FDP, we have a pleasure to announce that 200 participants, because the intake was the maximum 200, else we could have got the other participants also. But because of due to this constraint, we could not accommodate many participants. So the inaugural of this 1 week online Atal FDP on data science was on 22nd at Department of Computer Science and IT School of Technology at Maulana Azad National Urdu University, which was inaugurated by our Honorable Chairman, All India Council for Technical Education, Professor Anil Sahasrabudhe. So a total number of 200 participants, including academia, industry, personal registers for the FDP, which was started on 22nd, almost 1 week back. As far as this inaugural session was concerned, it was done by the All India Council for Technical Education, none other than by our Honorable Chairman, Professor Anil D. Sahasrabudhe, who inaugurated the FDP at Manu under 58th session of Atal FDP through virtual mode. Mr. Supreet Nagaraju, Head Education India and South Asia Adobe, acted as a speaker and delivered a talk on prepare yourself, students, for success in the $1 trillion digital economy, while Srimati Mamta Rani Agrawal, who was the advisor for this AICT hosted events. Professor Saeed Anul Hassan Saab, Honorable Vice Chancellor, Maulana Azad National Urdu University, is the patron of this or FDP. During this inaugural, they were talking about, in tune of national education policy. The AICT has come up with this beautiful idea, to provide the access, equity, and quality education to all, irrespective of all any discrepancies, color, caste, creed, community, genders, socio-economic backgrounds with everyone. So this was the main theme. This was the main idea behind going for this Atal FDP, which was meant for faculty and the higher learning students of higher education, particularly MTech, MCA, and other research pursuing students, and training for the trainers. That was the idea behind with this one. So during these last 5 days, sir, I'm happy to share with my Honorable Pro Vice Chancellor Sahab, who is with us, Professor S.M. Rahmatullah, and my Dean, School of Technology, and the head of the department. Sir, during these last 1 week session, we had scheduled 15 sessions, and these were blended and comprised of the equally theory and the pretty practical sessions. And the resource persons we invited from very reputed institutions and the industries. The resource persons were from this Hyderabad Central University, Delhi Technological University, Netaji Subhash Institute of Technology, North Campus, faculty from the BITS Hyderabad campus, and the 2 sessions we could have got it from this, this industry peoples. So it was a mixed combination covering all theory and practical aspects. One faculty resources we invited all the way from the Jammu and Kashmir also. So, and all the participants were very punctual. They got interacted with all the sessions through their queries and all this one. So this was just one of them. This one. Now, as far as this, the 200 participants, they are almost from 20 states of the country registered and participated in this FDP. Data science is the current research trend in computer science and needs deliberate discussions as to how data science can be used to solve real-time societal problems. AICT also organizes centralized inaugural programs for this one. And during these 5 days sessions conducted on various data science topics, various research challenges in data science and machine learning, career opportunities in data science, artificial intelligence, and its applications in various domains were discussed during the sessions. Each sessions were comprised with the queries raised by the participants, and the feedback session was also shared with them, and attendance were maintained like this one. In FDP, the participants were active and quite excited to enrich their knowledge during all sessions. Question answer sessions were also incredibly attractive and energetic due to the participants' active involvements. And I'm sure through these sort of FDPs, they will carry and forward all the outcomes of these academic events we could conduct it at our Manu from 22nd to this 22nd to 26th. As far as this Atal program is concerned, I have just a few things I would like to share that AICT is committed for the development of quality technical education in the country by initiating various schemes launched by the Government of India. MHRD Council understand that there is a need of the day to train the young generation in the skill sector and having faculty and technicians to be trained in their respective discipline. This has been later on a part of the National Education Policy 2020 and the Ministry of Education. It was felt that the training with the latest tools and technologies is vital to keeping an institute competitive and more productive. Training is required for increasing the knowledge and skills of the students to make them more productive, more employable to acquire global competencies. It also transforms them to harmonize with society and most importantly to make them a good citizen of the country with the sensibility and the responsibility. Accordingly, the AICT Training and Learning at Academic conducts its programs from 22nd to 26th November 2021 at the School of Computer Science and Information Technology. And we are happy to share with you, sir, in our views, everything went smoothly by God grace and by the kind support and the leadership you and under your aegis. So this workshop is designed to provide the state-of-the-art trends and advancement in data science and its applied application in engineering. The workshop has focused on theoretical aspects as well as on providing hands-on experience to the participants. We basically covered the Python, PyTorch, and yesterday second session we were having a image processing activity through the deep learning applications also. So the participants were introduced to the fundamentals of data science and developed the understanding of how to use data science skills. The participants were trained and exposed to the emerging areas of future of data science, the fourth paradigm of the data. The online FDP has provided a forum for the interaction of data science researchers and academicians to discuss and deliberate the potential applications and recent advancement of the data science at the present scenario and in the days to come. The online FDP will also provide a platform to learn data sciences using different tools, techniques, and technology, along with some practical exposure with the Python, Spark, or any other potential tool or any other programming languages. The online FDP also aims to foster the exchange of ideas and creates an opportunity for collaboration in frontier areas of data science and all this work. So this was a brief report, sir, on behalf of me as a coordinator, and I take this opportunity to thank to my all administrator, particularly the Honorable Vice Chancellor Sir, Pro Vice Chancellor Sir, my Dean School of Technology, and all the faculty members and the head who cooperated with me to come to this day. So with these few words, sir, I thank you all the participants and all the delegates who were there, who are not a part with us during this, valedictory session, all the resource persons. We try to get the best of the best and whatever we could do. So with these few words, I get back to the Afra ma'am to take the session forward. And thank you so very much and have a happy learning experience. And the best part would be if you can continue this ethos in the days to come, carry it forward through your students, your research scholars, and your own individual efforts. Thanking you so very much, sir.
Well said.
Thank you so much, sir. I'm sure this FDP was too fruitful for all researchers, academicians, and students who have joined this. Your efforts has truly came successful. Warmest congratulations to you and everyone. Now I request our head department of CS and IT, Dr. Imtiazul Hasan, sir, to speak a few words on this event.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. In the name of Allah, the most beneficent, the most merciful. Professor S.M. Rahmatullah Sahab, Honorable Pro Vice Chancellor, Professor Abdul Wahid Sahab, Dean School of Technology, Dr. Pradeep Kumar Sahab, Convener of the FDP, other delegates on the dais, faculty members, research scholars, participants, and dear students. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Good afternoon to all of you and all. It's my indeed a privilege, and I feel it, take it as a privilege to be invited as a speaker here to talk about Atal FDP. Before I going further, I would like to quote ayah of the Quran. Inna Allaha ya'muru bil adl. Indeed, the Allah commands justice. I really, I'm really very much thankful to the first student who has quoted one thing, Amal bil Maruf Nahi Anil Munkar, means you are the best of us who enjoin good and forbid bad. Okay, so it's very much related to all these things. So point is what, just I quoted the text, it means indeed Allah commands justice. Justice means putting something in proper place and carrying out the obligations. Injustice is done in one of two ways. Number one, blocking someone's benefit that he or she deserve. Number two, causing harm in any other ways. The sense of injustice lead to disharmony, resistance, and sometimes rebellion. Now, perhaps you are thinking that why I am talking about justice in FDP where we are talking about data science. The simple reason is knowledge without human values lead to prosperity only. Knowledge is useful only if along with prosperity it purifies hearts and leads to harmony in the society. When talking about technical knowledge like AI and data science, it is assumed that it is helpful only in science, technology, and business. I want to present another dimension of data science. How can data science fight social justice? A new dimension is emerging, known as data science for social good, where science is used and data is used in relation to the social justice. Many universities has created a special stream for this kind of research. Columbia University, University of Virginia, University of Chicago, University of British Columbia, Stanford University are the few to name. Even the software companies are working in this domain, putting ethics and justice at the core of data science. IBM Research has Science for Good. Google named it as AI for social good, and Infosys refer it as a tech for good. The various projects that are also in place, such as data science for fighting gender and racial inequality in high-skilled labor market, AI-assisted identification of child abuse and negligence in hospital settings, using natural language processing and quantitative analysis to intervene in gang violence, using data science to increase healthcare access in undeserved communities, data science for police violence pattern identification against victims based on social status, using data science to identify inconsistency in the court decisions. These are very few, in fact, I am naming. There are not much more than that. AICT is committed for development of quality holistic education comprising of human values along with competence by providing technical skills. It understands that there is a need of the day to train young generation of faculty members. Training with latest tools and technologies is vital for more productive and achieving excellence. It is also transforms them to harmonize with the society and the nature. For the purpose, AICT conceived Atal Academics. This FDP that is held today and you have attended in 5 days is FDP on data science is one of such program under Atal. In the validatory session of this FDP, I propose to you a dimension where technology should not only serve all of us, but technology should fight for social justice of the underprivileged. At the last, I will finish my talk by saying one share of Allama Iqbal. जिंदगी कुछ और शय है, इल्म कुछ और शय. जिंदगी कुछ और शय है, इल्म है कुछ और शय. जिंदगी सोजे जिगर है, इल्म है सोजे दिमाग. जिंदगी सोजे जिगर है, इल्म है सोजे दिमाग. So our purpose should be, it's not only to learn the new things. We have to learn the new things that will harmonize the society, that how much I will give back to the society. So that is what data science has played a lot of role, and it is having a scope. That's all for my side. Thank you for giving me this opportunity. I am thankful to the convener. I am thankful to the organizer. Thanks a lot.
अच्छा माइक स्पीकर के है क्या?
Thank you so much, sir. Thank you so much for your thought-provoking lecture. इल्म में दौलत भी है, खुदरत भी है, लज्जत भी है। इल्म में दौलत भी है, खुदरत भी है, लज्जत भी है। एक मुश्किल है कि हाथ आता नहीं सुराख। एक मुश्किल है कि हाथ आता नहीं अपना सुराख। I hope this FDP has added a few memories to your life. We would like to know how well have our efforts resonated to you. I request anyone or few participants to give us feedback on this FDP.
Dear participants, it is your turn now. Please.
Good afternoon, all of you. Shall I go for it?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah.
Please
Please go,
give your
go ahead.
introduction.
Okay. Good afternoon, one and all. I am Professor Astha Masrani from Marwadi University, Gujarat, Rajkot. I have just been entered in the academics field after completion of my master's, my MTech. I am the young researcher and a young academician, or else you can say the ongoing future of your this academics. So this FDP has been a very useful, or you can say it was that this was an opportunity to listen from all those researchers, all those senior academicians who have contributed a lot to the academics, to the education field on specifically. On the first day, it was the basic introduction. The three different persons gave the three different perspectives of how data science can be combined with machine learning, that can be combined with the neural networks, that can be combined with the with all the different applications of business and all. On the next day onwards, we were onto a very good session of some of the practical and some of the introductory aspects on how the research can go on. On the third day onwards, the Python implementation, I don't remember the name of the sir, it was the second session, and it was the really practical session, and it was the best session I can say. And from the next day onwards, it was the big data analytics that we learned, and it was the applications of big data analytics. I can say that my experience, this is actually my first FDP that I am attending on the starting of my career of an academician. It was my dream to be in the field of an education, to be in the field of an research. And this has been, I can say, a great opportunity for me to explore the new technologies and even to explore my research area also. Yes, I have asked a lot of questions regarding my research, and yes, some of the inputs I got the advice. And today's session of the professor or Dr. Pradeep Kumar sir was very, very good, and thank you for arranging this. Thank you for all your advice, for all your suggestions, and for giving me the opportunity to speak right now, to give you the feedback. The one feedback I would like to say is that in how we teach the students throughout the semester, that from the basics to the end that we teach. So only the feedback I would like to give is everything was good, but the things should be in a proper, you can say, the proper format. Not just the different research areas, but it should go with the flow of the basics, then from the theoretical insights, then from the practical insights. So yes, otherwise I can say this was my experience, my first FDP. I can say that was superb experience, and I got an opportunity to learn a lot. And for sure, if I get a chance, I will contribute to all those research areas, and I would love if I would get a chance to use those learned things in my career also. So thank you for giving me the opportunity to attend, and thank you for all your advice, for all your suggestions, and for this beautiful experience that I had with this activity. Thank you.
Thank you, Asta ma'am. We have noted down your issues and concerns, and certainly, as a coordinator, I assure you and all the rest of the participants, next time, whenever we go proceed for these kind of events, certainly we will make a flow, and so that the theory, concept, practical application, everything goes in tune with the expectations of the audience. Thank you, ma'am. Any other, please?
Thank you.
Thank you so much, Asta ma'am. Thank you. Thank you for your positive, valuable feedback. We would definitely like to update ourselves and successfully come back in our next FDP. I request next participant to please speak a few words about this FDP.
Yeah, good evening, madam. Respected Pro Vice Chancellor of Manu, Dean School of Technology, and Head of the Department of Computer Science, and Pradeep Kumar, the coordinator of this program, FDP. I am Dr. Bairam Anand. I am from Pondicherry University, Karaikal campus. So indeed, it may be great pleasure for me for attending this program. From the very first day, I am attending this session, and it's very interesting. So how this data analysis are used, data analytics is used in the business, how data analysis is used in the what we call image processing, and the other subjects relating to Python are also dealt in this program. And it's very interesting to have this good session for the last 1 week, from 22nd to till today. So I'm very happy in attending this program, and it's very interesting sessions also. And the subject experts are drawn from different institutions with their expertise in the subject, and they are taught in such a manner that we can do our work, means our that we followed very easily. Thank you, sir, for giving me this opportunity.
Thank you, Dr. Saab. Thank you, Anand sir.
Thank you, Dr. Anand Bairam sir, for your active participation and valuable feedback. Can we expect one more feedback from any of our participants?
Can I go next?
Yeah,
sure.
please.
Thank you. My name is Mujahid Saleh. I am from Yemen. I'm a research scholar in Coimbatore University in Karnataka. I have been waiting for this actually workshop for like few months since I applied on ATEL platform. I am in a management field, so data science is pretty advanced for me. But there are few sessions that they were hitting what exactly we needed. I mean, if we go in the second day, I think Karimani, which is the fundamentals of Python programming. That was the nail in the head, which we needed to start from, like practical learning, where we should start and apply whatever we are learning. I can say that not everything was understood to me because I am from management field, but there are specific topics that were really related and were the first step that I can go into data science and data analysis. I am grateful. Thank you so much for all organizers. Thank you so much.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Thank you, Mujahid. Thank you for your positive feedback. अंजाम उसके हाथ है आगाज करके देख, अंजाम उसके हाथ है आगाज करके देख, भीगे हुए परों से ही परवाज करके देख, भीगे हुए परों से ही परवाज करके देख. The sails for pessimist complains about the wind, an optimist tries to change it, and a leader adjusts the sails. The sails for this particular notion were adjusted by a person who is not only a great motivation to all of us, but a visionary and the person who gave us the belief to bring together this event. He is none other than our Dean, Convener, Professor Dr. Abdul Wahid. Sir, I request you, sir, to please address the audience.
Thank you, Afra Madam. Professor S.M. Rahmatullah Sahab, Pro Vice Chancellor Manu, Chief Guest and Chair of the session. Dr. Imtiaz Hassan Sahab, Head of Department Sales and IT Manu. Dr. Pradeep Kumar, Coordinator of this FDP. Afra Madam, dear participants, Adab, good afternoon. I hope you learned and achieved the purpose of this FDP during last 5 days with this emergent topic, data science. Dr. Pradeep present the report and participants given their inputs about the feedback about this FDP. With this, I can conclude that this combined effort of AICT and Manu become useful and successful. Of course, data science is the key point that have changed the entire world. This is an assortment of many different technologies working together to enable machines to sense, comprehend, act, and learn with human-like levels of intelligence. Data science and machine learning uses data and algorithm to imitate the way that humans learn, gradually improving its accuracy. Data science is the field of study that combines domain expertise, programming skills, and knowledge of mathematics with statistics to extract meaningful insights from the data. Of course, data science practitioners apply machine learning or other algorithms to number, text, images, videos, audios, and more to produce artificial intelligence system to perform tasks that require human intelligence. I hope you all participants will further explore this area of research for research and development. And last, I must say that data science is used when there is a need to make better decisions, and there is some data which can be used to make decisions. Lastly, I'm very much thankful to AICT, our administration, Honorable Vice Chancellor Sahab, Honorable Pro Vice Chancellor Sahab, for providing this opportunity and their blessing to the department. Thank you and welcome once again.
बहुत अच्छा.
Shukriya.
Thank you so much, sir. Thank you so much for your kind words and thought-provoking lecture. इल्म में दौलत भी है, खुदरत भी है, लज्जत भी है, एक मुश्किल है कि हाथ आता नहीं अपना सुराख. Before we begin further, now let me take this opportunity to call upon the chief guest of the valedictory session to deliver the most awaited speech. Before that, I would like to give a brief introduction about sir, the chief guest, S.M. Rahmatullah sir. He has gained a vast academic research and academic administrative experiences for the last 39 years in the different capacities as follows. He has been a Vice Chancellor in charge, Maulana Azad National Urdu University, Hyderabad since almost 1 year. Former Vice Chancellor, Sri Krishna Devaraya University, Anantapuram, AP. He has been a registrar, regular and in charge number of times, Manu. He has been a Dean, School of Arts and Social Sciences, former and present. Former Dean, Satellite Campuses, Manu. Former Head Procurements, Manu. Former Finance Officer in charge, Manu. Former Controller of Examinations in charge, Manu. Former Head Department of Political Science and Public Administration, Manu. Member ex officio Secretary of Academic Council, Executive Council, Manu. Member in different committees of UGC, etc. I request you, sir, please kindly take over the session.
Yes. Thank you very much for your good words about me. It is all because of the blessings of Almighty and the cooperation and coordination of my colleagues, all of you. Thank you very much. Well, Professor Abdul Wahid Sahab, Dr. Imtiaz Hassan Sahab, Dr. Pradeep Kumar Sahab, and dear, participants in this 1 week faculty development program sponsored by AICTE and, conducted by MANU. Dear colleagues and dear participants, we are working in the context of national education policy. There are a number of, features of this policy, and in nutshell, it has focused on knowledge and skills. Knowledge and skills are most important for the progress of, one's own personality as well as the society. Knowledge and skills, if they have assumed great importance, then there must be focus in the educational institutions to, provide this knowledge as well as the skills to the students, to the learners, to the research scholars. It is the prime responsibility of higher education institutions. In this context, conducting this type of faculty development programs, has assumed great importance. After listening to Professor Wahid Sahab, Dr. Pradeep Kumar Sahab, and Dr. Imtiaz Sahab, I was very much impressed that this program has been conducted by covering as may be possible, all the aspects that are related to faculty development program in the field of knowledge and skills, more particularly data science. And two of the participants have given their feedback also, and after listening to their feedback also, I felt very happy that this program has been conducted in a very systematic and a very successful manner. And naturally, this credit goes to the organizers, more particularly the dean, the HOD, and all the faculty members, the convener of this program. I hope and believe that, as usual, this school as well as this department, will be conducting more such programs, not only on, database subject, but also there are so many other things that are there in national education policy. I hope that such type of seminars, webinars, faculty development programs, will be conducted on different aspects. And it has been well said that the AICTE is taking care of, doing everything that is needed to put into practice the national education policy. So I once again express my thanks to the authorities of AICTE for, sponsoring this program to MANU, and as well as expressing my heartfelt thanks to the organizers, more particularly the dean as well as the faculty members and the organizers for, conducting very beautifully and successfully this program. And I hope finally and believe that all the participants, will return to their jobs and try to put into practice whatever they have learned through this faculty development program, so that we can serve our Mother India in a more beautiful way. Thank you. Jai Hind once again. Thank you.
Thank you so much, sir. Thank you so much for your great and motivational and inspirational words. I would like to quote a beautiful ashar of Dr. Iqbal, Allama Iqbal. कोई काबिल हो तो हम शान कई देते हैं, कोई काबिल हो तो हम शान कई देते हैं, ढूंढने वालों को दुनिया भी नहीं देते हैं, ढूंढने वालों को दुनिया भी नहीं देते हैं.
Mashallah.
Now I request Mrs. T. Arundhati, Assistant Professor, Department of CS and IT, Manu, to propose vote of thanks.
Shukriya, Ms. Afra Farma. Assalamu alaikum. Good afternoon. Namaskar. Respected Dr. Syed Ain Hassan, Honorable Vice Chancellor, Maulana Azad National Urdu University, Hyderabad, Telangana, Professor, Dean, Chairperson, and for Persian and Cultural Central Asian Studies, School of Languages, Literature and Cultural Studies, Jawaharlal Nehru University, New Delhi. And Honorable Pro Vice Chancellor, Maulana Azad National Urdu University, Professor S.M. Rahmatullah, Professor in Department of Public Administration and Dean, School of Arts and Social Sciences, Manu. Dr. Abdul Wahid, Professor in Department of CS and IT, Dean, School of Technology, Director in Charge, CIT, Maulana Azad National Urdu University, and Convener Faculty for this Faculty Development Program and Data Science. Respected Dr. Syed Imtiaz Hassan, Associate Professor and Head, Department of CS and IT. Dr. Pradeep Kumar, Associate Professor, Department of CS and IT, and Coordinator for this 5-day Faculty Development Program and Data Science. And precious guests, delegates as participants from various institutions, students of Manu, and ladies and gentlemen. Welcome you all to this virtual meeting at Manu. Time has come to end this FTP program. So समय के साथ चलो, सफलता तुम्हारे पीछे आएगी. I am Tunga Arundhati, Assistant Professor. On behalf of Department of CS and IT, I feel honor and it's my immense pleasure to propose vote of thanks in the valedictory function of Faculty Development Program and Data Science, sponsored by AICTE Training and Learning Program and organizing by the School of Computer Science and Information Technology, Manu. Let me first start by giving glory to the Almighty God for making a big success of 5-day FDP on data science with the recitation of Holy Quran by Falak Tuba, MCA 3rd semester. Science is a study of nature and behavior of natural things and the knowledge that we obtain about them. So data science is we are studying about the data. So the data science is a study of existing and new data. The aim of this FDP program is to bring together researchers, engineers, and those who are interested on big data analytics, data mining, data management, AI, big data cloud, and so on. And not only that, these researchers, and not only that one, and IIT Roorkee, IIT Delhi launches the program in data science and artificial intelligence. And they have admitted 20 students have been admitted in this course through JEE Advanced 2021 counseling. And IIT, other institution also established one school itself on data science and AI. According to IIT, this new program is designed to be holistic in nature that will train students in topics related to data science and artificial intelligence, with emphasis on relevant courses from other disciplines of science and engineering, such as computer science, electronics, and electrical engineering, mathematics, and statistics also. Data scientists to do the predictions in multiple domains of business, technology implementation, healthcare sector, disaster management, policy formulation, and manage large data sets irrespective of the field. The vast opportunities that this field offers will fulfill the demands of having sufficiently qualified graduates to serve the nation in the future in the area of this AI and data analytics and data science also. I am Arundhati, Assistant Professor, Department of CS and IT, on behalf of the School of Computer Science and Information Technology, and behalf of the entire team of this 5-day FDP program, on behalf of myself, I sincerely thank Dr. Syed Ainul Hassan, proctor of this program, Honorable Vice Chancellor Maulana Azad National Urdu University, for the unconditional support to execute the 5-day faculty program on data science. On behalf of the Department of CS and IT, and I express my gratitude to the Honorable Pro Vice Chancellor S.M. Rahmatullah sir for his kind presence and very inspiring address about the knowledge and skills. And if you give the importance to the knowledge, then the person may touch the sky with his dreams. And sir also has highlighted about the data science and also highlighted the new education policy 2020. My sincere thanks to Dean Dr. Abdul Wahid, Professor in Department of CS and IT. Sir has highlighted the areas of data science, and it is related to mathematics, big data, statistics also. And sir has invited the participants once again to our university in such a way that it was memorable. Thank you so much, sir. My sincere thanks to Head, Department of CS and IT, Imtiaz Hassan, for his insights about the data science and the excellent correlation with the society and the usages of data science in various ways. And sir has explored the main objective of ATEL program. May this program impart the quality technical education in the country. Thank you so much, sir. On behalf of the Department of Computer Science and Information Technology, my profuse thanks to all eminent speakers. Really, they covered all recent topics on data science. Indeed, my desktop was filled with all screenshots of all slides. Every slide is a new slide. If I turn one slide, I may miss like that I was fearing. Really, for their commitment and shared their knowledge among all of us. For this, on behalf of the department and AICT, तमाम resource persons को तहे दिल से शुक्रिया अदा करता हूँ. Because without the resource person, we would have not done this program. It's very big success. I would like to express deep appreciation for the overwhelming response from the state, central, IIT, BITS, Hyderabad, and all engineering colleges under AICT in sending the faculty members to this FDP on data science. I convey thanks to all distinguished participants and attended 5 days without fail. This reflects their commitment to the profession. Manu hopes that this FDP might provide it and share knowledge on data science analytics. Data analysis often starts with the structured data. That already means that data is stored in the exactly number means number, date means date, category means category. However, the unstructured data can yield the crucial insights if you use the appropriate techniques. Once again, congratulations to all the participants. On behalf of the Manu University, I wish you all the best in your professional career. Think big, dream to achieve it. तू शाइन है, परवाज है, काम तेरा, तेरे सामने आसमान और भी है.
बहुत अच्छे.
Thank you, sir. A big thanks to all the faculty members and the technical team of Department of CS and IT, students of PhD, MTech, MCA, BTech, Computer Science for their presence and unconditional help throughout the 5-day program. The officials of the Department of CS and IT and the administrative staff of Manu deserves to be complimented for the systematic execution of the 5-day program on data science. Respected Professor Anil D. Sahasrabuddhe, AICT Chairman, and his team for this sponsoring for this 5-day FDP program. I congratulate Dr. Pradeep Kumar and his entire team towards the success of this 5-day FDP program and data science. दुआ तो दिल से मांगी जाती है, ज़बान से नहीं आए इकबाल, कबूल तो उसकी भी होती है जिसकी जुबान नहीं होती.
बहुत अच्छा, बहुत अच्छा.
Khodafis, Jai Hind. Now I request you all to stand for the national anthem. Mr. Nair, kindly to play the national anthem.
जन गण मन अधिनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड़ उत्कल बंगा विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा चल जलधि तरंगा तव शुभ नामे जागे तव शुभ आशीष मांगे गाहे तव जय गाथा जन गण मंगलदायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 हे
Thank you, Dr. Pradeep. Thank you,
Thank
Pro
you,
Vice Chancellor Sahab.
Thanks to everyone, sir, and your presence made this, event a grand success, I suppose, and which would have been just next to impossible without your active participant, without your motivation, without your guidance, and the last but not the least, without audience, without participant, everything has gone into, well. So without them, there was not anything could have been done, but without the participants, their active involvement, it was indeed, without it would have been a just wastage of money, resource, time, and everything. So the salute to all, sir. Thank you very much for being with me.
हमारे प्रो वाइस चांसलर साहब ने बहुत बिजी शेड्यूल, दूसरे शेड्यूल से निकाल करके टाइम हमें दिया है। मुझे पता है कितने बिजी थे वो। उनका मैं दिल से शुक्रगुजार हूँ।
बिल्कुल सर।
Thank you. All the best, and we will meet soon again.
Thank you,
And
sir.
thanks to Arundhati madam for beautiful ashar.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Of course.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Convener of this program also.
Thank you, sir. Thank you. Your presence is more important and more precious to all of us, sir. Thank you so much.
Okay. Thank you.
Right. Thank you.
हाँ, मीटिंग एंड कर दी।
सर एक फोटो ले लेंगे ना सर, लाइव पूरे अवेलेबल अगर अपने कैमरा से।
अच्छा।
I wish
एक फोटो, एक डॉक्टर साहब अभी सर बैठे हुए हैं, फोटो ले लीजिए। यस।
Thank you, Pradeep sir.
ये ले लीजिएगा
Management. Thank you, Dean sir, for this
पहले फोटो ले
opportunity.
लीजिएगा।
फोटो ले लीजिए
फोटो सेक्शन
Thank you,
प्लीज।
Umar sir.
अरे पहले फोटो ले लो जी मैम।
थैंक यू।
Is it okay?
हाँ सर, हो गया।
Right. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you, everyone. Thank you, all the dignitaries and participants for making
Thank
this
you, Afra madam.
everyone.
Thank you so much, sir.
Thank you, Arundhati ma'am.
Thank
you,
For such a
Thank you,
lovely
Pradeep sir.
vote of thanks.
I wish we
Thank
all
you, Afra
could
ma'am,
have
for such a
joined
lovely-
for a cup of tea in the offline mode. So at least those who can join. I request Anand Sahab, all the way from Pondicherry, Ananya ma'am, Ananya Das, to whomever I can see here, that madam, Asta, who has been very active. We wish we could have arrange a biryani for you at Hyderabad, but never mind. Next time, see you soon somewhere, and then
I am
enjoy.
actually from Warangal, sir.
Sure. Okay, sir. Very near to us. You are most welcome.
Yeah.
Okay, so we take a break, and there were certain queries regarding the
Okay.
quiz. So those who miss or those who could not attend, we will have another link and then get back to you for all this one. Wish you all get the certification well in time from the AICTE Atal, and meanwhile you can remain connected through this WhatsApp group. Thank you so much. Take care.
Thank you.